Hey, look what I got to unbox today. A brand new MRQ immersion blender, food processor, chopper, meat grinder. Wow. Egg beater. Large capacity food processor. 600 milliliter blender cup. Wow. Look at, we can make a lot of stuff with this. Come over and watch me open it up. It's gonna be nice. Let's open it up. It's a nice breeze out here. See them curtains blowing? We love it. We'll have the air on later though. Instructions. User manual. Ooh, a lot of good stuff in there. Packed nicely. Bubble wrap. Uh-oh. I was looking for bubble wrap. There's your slicer and chopper. We're going to learn all this one by one. Blade. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Also has a variable speed on top. Has high, low, variable speed. And most of these are 350 watts. This one's 800 watts. So that's going to be great. Alright, let's see what else we got. Nice milkshake cup, or whatever you like to make in there. Juice. Juicer. And here's one of the There's the food processor attachment. Woo-wee! Alright, we're going to learn this. That's a nice color, isn't it? Like that new car I was going to buy yesterday. Isn't it? Get the pop of bubble wrap on the way out. Nice. There's a blade in there. Some vegetables in there. I'm going to make something good with this later. You'll see. I'm just unboxing it right now. Let you know what's coming. There's a beater, a whisk, egg beater. Snaps it right on there. Let's plug it in one time. Boy, that's nice. Testing. Ooh. Low. High. Now you can also turn it up here, watch. Okay. Make some merengue with that, huh? Unplug it now. Twist, pull it off. Another chopping utensil in here. Alright. Here we go. Smaller bolt or other types of chopping. So instead of handling the blade, you just put that on the pin there. Put the lid on. And it lines up in there. And you put your tool on top. Watch. See that? Alright, I'm going to show you with food. I'm just unboxing right now. Oh, and the funnest part that I like is this attachment. I can make milkshakes. That's your stick blender there. See, like that? Remove this from that attachment. Hold it there. Turn it. Nice, that's what I like to see. Make a nice milkshake. Yeah. So also, it attaches to, you saw that already, attaches to the big food processor here. So then we can add our vegetables on this side. I'm going to make something later. I'm going to make a cucumber salad for our little picnic tomorrow. So look at this. This is a big food processor. See that? Wow, that's low. Want to hear high? Woo, yeah. Put a cucumber in there. Also, that slicing blade this is going to be a good attachment too. One side is for slice, and the other side, it says right on it, is for shred. If you want to shred your meat or whatever. So take off this lid. Remove this blade off of a pin that sits down there. Then you say you want to slice. I would slice my cucumbers. Put that through there. Put this on there first. Put that on top of there. Look at that. Look at that food processor. See? Then you put your motor on top. Put your vegetable in there and boy, that's gonna slice good. Where do you see that? Cucumber, carrots, celery, whatever you put in there, you can turn this way down too. Slow. See, I turned it real low. Alright, I can't wait to show you in my next video. What was I gonna make? A nice cucumber salad. Is that what it's called? Mm-hmm. Cucumber, sour cream, onions. Yeah, I always like that. I like that. And this in my next video. In the meantime, I'll put a link down there in the description. Check out MRQ. This is good quality. See ya!